More repairs needed on Central New York bridges, at least that is according to a new report by the nonprofit group TRIP.
They found that 12% of Central New York bridges are rated in poor or structurally deficient condition. And as News Channel 9's Rob Hackford explains, repair work can't happen soon enough.
They're some of the most traveled bridges in Central New York. 690 in Townsend, the 81 interchange, and this one over South Bay Road.
So if you look up here, you can see underneath. You can just see the wear.
And according to Rocky Moretti from the nonprofit TRIP, a group sponsored by insurance and construction companies, they're also some of the bridges most in need of repairs.
You've got so many bridges in fair condition that are only going to wear further and further unless you have a strong local and state bridge program. And obviously Syracuse is behind the rest of the state, which is behind the national average.
Analyzing Federal Highway Administration data, the report found that 101 of the 875 bridges in Central New York are either in poor or structurally deficient condition. Now, this one for 690 over Townsend Street received a poor rating for decking, but is in a lot better condition than many others.
So deficiency might mean that there's a structural component that needs repairs.
But importantly, it doesn't mean a bridge is unsafe, rating the surface, the steel structure, and the supports underneath. The two worst bridges built in the 50s are on the Thruway in Geddes and Salina, and each had an average score of 3.3 out of 9. Both are now under construction.
We usually know when these things are starting to occur, but sometimes we don't have available funding to make these repairs.
And that's what Moretti says is TRIP's real intention, to help show local, state, and federal leaders that America's aging infrastructure needs a boost more than ever. In Syracuse, Rob Hackford, News Channel 9.
And we have the full report posted for you online. In response, the New York State DOT had this to say, quoting now, "Safety is our top priority, and our aggressive bridge inspection program requires bridges to be inspected at least once every 2 years. Now, 8 of the DOT bridges cited in the report are scheduled for rehabilitation in the near future.